In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dashboard filters in Salesforce. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account, then navigate to your homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the features you need. Now, once you're on the homepage, look for the App Launcher tab. It is usually located in the top left corner. Clicking on it will open a menu containing all available apps and items you can access within Salesforce. From this menu, head straight to All Items. This section will display a comprehensive list of elements you can work with, such as reports, dashboards, and more. Our focus today is on dashboards, so click on Dashboards to access your existing dashboards and create new ones. Here you'll see a button labeled New Dashboard. Click on it to start the process of building a fresh dashboard tailored to your needs. When prompted, you'll need to enter a name for your new dashboard. Make sure it's descriptive enough to help you quickly recognize it later. In addition to the name, typing a brief description will give further context about the dashboard's contents or purpose, which can be extremely helpful when sharing it with colleagues or recalling why it was set up down the line. After entering both the name and description, you'll see an option to create. Clicking this button will set up a blank canvas for your new dashboard. Now that your dashboard is created, a key step is to add widgets, which are basically data visualizations in the form of charts or tables. Begin by clicking Add Widget. You will be given the choice between a chart or a table. Select whichever suits your reporting needs the best. After selecting the type of widget, you'll need to choose a report to visualize. This may involve searching for a specific report, or you might have one in mind. Once you've located the correct report, ensure you click on it to select it. This selection process allows you to harness the data within your chosen report to be displayed as part of your dashboard. Following this, confirm your selection by clicking on Select, and then make sure to add this widget to your dashboard. The interface allows you to display the data in various forms, so choose your preferred Display As option, which could enhance the dashboard's usability and clarity. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything is laid out, click the Add button to incorporate all these elements into the dashboard officially. Before wrapping up, don't forget to save your work by pressing the Save button. Saving ensures that all your settings and chosen display options stay intact for future use. And that's it. You have now successfully added dashboard filters in Salesforce, making it an even more powerful tool for your data analysis needs. Remember that by organizing your data this way, you're not only making it more accessible, but also preparing yourself to present insights effectively to your team or stakeholders.